Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark 5, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by locating an app called Files and clicking on it. If you never used it before, click on Allow in the pop-up and then select Browse at the bottom in the middle. Lastly, just tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!